I'm James Zanewicz of Connect here in the BLPN during JPM Healthcare Week, and I'm sitting with one of my long dear friends of the BLPN, Eugene Zabolotsky, and we're going to talk about something new today, is my understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm excited. Before we dive into that, tell me a bit about yourself, your journey, and how you got to this point in your career.
Well, I started my career in the pharma world. I worked at multiple pharmaceutical companies. I ended up at Pfizer. I was lucky to be engaged in launches of very successful company products in the pain management and arthritis divisions. Crawled my ladder up through Pfizer, got my MBA, and actually went into med devices.
Nice.
And started working for 𝗕𝗟𝗄 Orthopedics, launched a couple of their technologies into the marketplace, really fell in love with the device world, technology world, and continued on in my journey towards my next milestone where I became an entrepreneur and started working on...
and you're a serial entrepreneur at this point.
At this point, that makes me. Yeah. So I have started a company called 𝗕𝗟𝗡, where we had our first product to market in insect bite management category, the Bite Helper. It became quite a successful innovation.
I have used it myself, so I can attest this is actually cool. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad it helped. At this point, I think it helped hundreds of thousands of people worldwide.
Well, especially when you live in New Orleans, which has a lot of mosquitoes, this thing was incredible, I'm going to tell you.
Well, that was the whole point, to make sure that people live healthier and happier lives, and insects live everywhere in the world, specifically in the summer season. So we were able to come up with a technology that solved the issue without using drugs or chemicals.
Yep.
And that was one of our first of the products. And now it's an ecosystem of medical devices that are consumer-facing, and we're moving forward with that particular company and getting it into retail.
Fantastic. And now you have something new you're working on.
Yes.
And I'd love to dive into that and kind of what is driving your passion when you get up every day. Tell me about it.
Well, what's quite interesting is that I'm back in the biotechnology industry, and the new company is called PVP, and it stands for Peptides Victory Over Pain.
Ah.
And it's a tetrapeptide. It's quite a novel compound that is actually in the pain management area, specifically where my expertise is. And we're taking this compound forward into U.S. market. And right now we're going through the FDA regulatory pathway with this.
Nice. So are you doing a raise now or anything, or?
We are initiating our strategic partnership opportunities,
nice.
And we're looking to possibly raise with the strategics and see how we align into the market. It's quite a new innovative peptide that has a unique dual mechanism of action. It's mu1 selective opioid agonist with calcium channel modulation in it. So that offers potential users of an acute pain marketplace. It's really fast onset of action. So you get within 15 minutes of using the product, you have meaningful analgesia. It has very low side effect profile, no addiction qualities. So it's the future of pain management. So we feel that there's a huge market out there, both civilian and military, that could benefit from this particular technology.
So given that, how can the BLPN members help you with what you're working on now?
Well, I think being part of the BLPN community for a couple of years already, I feel that all of us are here to help each other. So if there is anyone out there in our community or wants to join our community and potentiate the future of what we do, it's great.
Yep.
And I'm always willing to help in consumer-facing medical products or in biotechnology at this point. If there's any pearls of wisdom I could share, I'm only glad to do so.
Like that. And then so what are you looking for specifically for this company? How could they help you too?
So,
because you always give so much. I want people to give back to you.
So we're initiating some of the additional preclinical work we need to do. So we'd love to talk to some companies that have access to animal labs that do preclinical work and maybe discuss further some opportunities.
Perfect.
But we're actually building a superstar team of professionals that are seasoned, that have been in the pain management market for a while and understand this real huge opportunity that we're working on.
And if this resonates with people, or if they need something that you can offer, how can they best reach out to you?
Well, the best way to reach me is on my website. And it's Eugene.health.
Eugene.health. And if they send you a note, is there some little word or phrase or funny thing they can put in there where you know they watch this and you should put that at the top of your to-do list?
Well, I think that I think that they can just put PVP as the title.
Nice. They put PVP, that way you know. Got it.
Yeah. Peptides, victory over pain.
Got it. Well, Eugene, thank you so much for sitting down with us again.
Oh, thank you.
Always a pleasure to see you during JPM Healthcare Week. Cannot wait to see you at Bio in San Diego in June. And looking forward to watching your latest endeavor.
Thank you so much.